In this short video, we're going to show you how you can make your TikTok videos private on both iPhone or Android devices. So if you want to make your videos hidden from the TikTok profile, but you don't want to delete them completely, then follow my steps because it's pretty simple. Let's open the TikTok application on our device, and then make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Let us then go over to our TikTok profile by tapping here, and here are my videos which are public and my followers can see them. So let's say I want to make this specific video private because I've changed my mind and don't want other people to view this specific video. It's pretty easy to do so. Firstly, open your video. Then click on these three dots which are located at the right side of your screen. This menu will pop up, which will show us more options related to our video. And we want to scroll here until you find this little lock icon, which is called Privacy Settings. You will then see this menu where we can control who can see our video. Currently it's set to everyone, which means that anybody can see our video, and that's not what we want. You can set this to friends, and that means that any one of your followers who you follow back is going to be able to see your video. But if you want to hide this video from everyone and make it completely private, then set this to only me, and your TikTok will now be visible only to you. And that's essentially it, everyone. If this video helped you out and you want more similar videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to Tutor and I'll see you soon.